Hi guys, so there are some interesting leaks about the S22 Ultra that is gonna make it an even better device. Also, Samsung just announced the Exynos 2200 and we're gonna talk about how the new GPU compares to the Apple A15 and the Adreno 730 on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Exynos 2200 was recently announced, and as expected, it bears the first fruit of Samsung's partnership with AMD. Samsung developed its own in-house GPU called the Eclipse 920, and it's built on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. The GPU is expected to bring some significant improvement in graphics performance compared to the Exynos 2100. It's also expected to improve the overall gaming performance, and Samsung is promising console-level graphics on mobile. Now, I can't wait to see how this performs in the real world. But if Anthony is correct, then the Eclipse 920 might actually be a beast of a GPU. According to him, the Exynos 2200 has a 20% faster CPU over the Exynos 2100, which is about the exact same improvements from the Snapdragon 888 to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And that is to be expected, because they both use the same cores and cluster, with the only difference being a slight variation in the clock speeds. Now, for the GPU, the 8 Gen 1 offers a 30% performance improvement over the Snapdragon 888, and we've seen that in action. It actually caught up to the Apple A15. So everyone is wondering if the Exynos 2200 is gonna be able to keep up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the GPU department. Well, according to Anthony, the Exynos 2200 has a 50% faster GPU over the Exynos 2100. A 50% performance increase in 1 year is absolutely insane, and if that's true, it's gonna be able to keep up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or might even outperform it. Obviously, this isn't certain, so I would say take this information with a grain of salt and don't get too excited just yet. So the S22 Ultra is going to be more durable than the S21 Ultra. Samsung is going to use the new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus as protection on the front and back. It's also going to use Gorilla Glass DX as protection for the camera, and that is going to give scratch resistance and anti-reflection to the camera lens. Samsung is also going to strengthen the frame with a new aluminium, which it calls Armour Aluminium, and it's going to be 10% stronger than the aluminium frame on the S21 Ultra. These stronger materials are only rumored for the S22 Ultra, so the S22 and S22 Plus might use the same materials as the S21 series. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Exynos 2200 in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.